Hi, Christine from Stay Creative here. I have my PiBurn grip and I am installing it on my version 4.0. I'm going to go with the add-on configuration over the full replacement just because it's new and I'm going to try out both, but I'm thinking that this is going to give me more versatility and flexibility in what I engrave. And if I want to change it to the full standalone option, I can always do that later. So I'm going to run this in fast-paced time just to show you how easy it is, similar to what I did in another video. It's not meant to be a step-by-step tutorial. It's just a, hey look, if Christine can do it, I can do it too kind of thing. So stick around and watch it happen.